Hey friends, it's Sarah, that wreath maker. Welcome to my channel where we're going to chat all things home decor, share some laughs, and real talk about running a creative business. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button, and let's jump in. Now in today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to properly fluff real pampas grass. Now for this, you're going to need a blow dryer. Any kind of blow dryer, doesn't have to have a cool setting. You're going to use heat and hairspray. I typically prefer to use a flexible hold hairspray, but I don't have that on hand right now. So really any kind of hairspray will work. So take your pampas grass stems. I'm going to start with the black here because I'm going to show you how even the worst looking pampas grass stems can turn out beautiful. Because just know that anytime you order pampas grass that's real but colored, it is not going to have the same quality as the natural toned pampas grass. However, getting your blow dryer and your hairspray out, taking your stem, placing it against a flat surface, any wall will do, and then hitting that stem with some heat. After you've run that blow dryer on the stem a few times, you're going to pull it away, spritz it with some hairspray. You want to have a good distance between the hairspray can and the pampas grass stem because you don't want to really coat it on there. You just want to lightly mist it. The hairspray is actually going to help it keep its fluff and keep it from shedding, because I work with pampas grass a lot, and yes, it does shed, but if you do this step, it is going to prevent that. I would be confident in saying 90% of the shedding will no longer occur once you fluff it and spray it. And you will only need to do that once. I make a lot of pampas grass wreaths. I do this for every single stem that I place in my wreath, and I'm usually using anywhere from 60 to 100 stems per wreath that I make on a grapevine. If you haven't noticed, this is a very messy job, so definitely do it outside. So as you can see right here, the natural brown tone stem was already considerably more fluffy than the black dyed stems. So you won't need to do as much. And you can see I'm holding the blow dryer about 3 to 5 inches away from the actual stem itself. You can hold it upside down or right side up. I like to do both. After I spray it, I like to spin it around. That's what's going to help it really keep its shape, and as well get rid of any of the little parts that are ready to fall off anyway after you've hit it with the blow dryer. I like to do one at a time because I like to make sure that every single stem I place in my grapevine wreath for a customer is fluffed. I don't want to miss any spots, but you can grab a handful, especially if this is for a vase or something, and just do, I wouldn't do more than 3 or 4 at a time, but you could definitely do this with a little bundle and then flip it over. Don't be afraid with that blow dryer, because whatever's going to come off needs to come off anyway, and it's just going to get more beautiful the longer you do this. I promise you. I have been working with pampas grass now for over 4 years. So yeah, and then you don't have to separate them to spray them with the hairspray. You can just do them all at once and then shake that off. Really let that set in, and voila, beautiful. I love these neutral, natural brown pampas stems. They just are so beautiful. They're even prettier in person. The black ones I really love. I use them for a Halloween wreath that is a bestseller of mine. It is a skeleton wreath, and this black pampas grass is just so gorgeous. I mean, look at that color. And in the sun, it actually has this like deep purple black color. It's a really cool wreath, so I definitely encourage you to check that out. I actually have it listed in my shop right now. But yeah, so there's a quick little tip for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe with me